Here we've got the Mavic 3. I've got to say I've made about 7 flights with it so far. I haven't done anything epic so far, but I'm getting used to flying the drone. It's lovely to fly. Obviously there's the issues with the Fly app, which isn't fully usable yet until January. But I've been sort of looking at a few forums, and a chap had raised a valid point in that when we fold the drone up, we're folding it thus, and that there is obviously a rub point where the arm is just literally, it's plastic against plastic, and over a period of time that will rub and mark. And a few people have also encountered an issue where markings occurred on the side of the gimbal arm there, which again is probably caused by that moving about as you're transporting it, which really the gimbal protector, yes, it does provide some protection to the gimbal, but not very much. You'd have thought that as DJI had spent the time coming up with a little stopper there from stopping the, let's try it, take the battery out and you'll see what I mean. If I fold that round there like that, that prevents, that little arm there prevents the front leg from impacting the side of the drone. It just holds it off really nicely. So why DJI couldn't have thought of something for this leg, i.e. a stopper on there or on the leg itself, that in terms of a casting for it, you know, it's beyond me. It just seems strange that, you know, we've all spent all this money on these drones, and really there's a few design issues which should really have been addressed when people were doing beta testing and everything else. So it's a little bit, it sort of taints it a little bit. I mean, the drone is great, but then you also want something that's cost you that much money to last you a long while without getting sort of marked up, just through normal use. I'm very careful with my drones, and I'm sure a lot of people are, but then over time to get marking on the body of it through no fault of your own is really a bit of a short change by DJI, let alone the issue with the smart control, the first smart control not being compatible with it, which is a sore point. Really, you know, I find that a bit staggering. It's a bit of an Apple moment, you know, we've changed the port, so tough, you have to buy another one. So I'm not going to buy another smart controller because they're just too expensive. The drone was dear enough as it was. But yes, a valid point about these stoppers. Yes, you can use some tape or something to stop it happening, but you really shouldn't have to put tape on something that's just cost you a couple of £1,000. So there you go.